Hello, my name is Lily Gullickson. I'm a nurse practitioner student at Morningside College, and today I'm presenting my research project on the relationships among self-reported barriers to care acquisition, perceived health condition, the need for health care, and an identified PCP. Nationwide, the percentage of individuals who have established care with a primary care provider has decreased. The goal of my project was to identify barriers to seeking healthcare and establishing care with a primary care provider in order to alleviate barriers and improve health promotion and health prevention. To guide my research, the health belief model was used, which is a model that helps establish and analyze people's beliefs about health perception, chronic illnesses, physical barriers, and reasons to avoid healthcare. Participants were gathered from a church in Sioux Falls and voluntarily completed a questionnaire on SurveyMonkey. A total of 55 participants were included in the study, of which 65% were female. About 31% were between the age of 35 and 45, and about 31% were between the age of 46 and 60. The variables of my questionnaire were grouped or clumped into categories because there were many variables. These variables included the reasons to avoid medical care, which included a select all that apply question, level of disability, which included physical limitations, the number of chronic illnesses, and the number of barriers, total barriers, which included travel distance, the wait time for an appointment, the satisfaction of time, the helpfulness of the medical staff, and the receptiveness of the medical provider. The frequencies of variables were assessed, and correlational analysis was ran using Kendall's tau to analyze the relationships between these variables. Results of the correlational analysis showed a positive relationship between the establishment of a primary care provider and the frequencies of visits, age, and the likelihood to seek medical care, which is shown here. And the negative correlational relationships were found between personal reasons to avoid healthcare and their age, establishment of a PCP, frequency of visits, and the likelihood to seek medical care. The correlational relationships between variables show that the establishment of a PCP decreases the likelihood to avoid healthcare and is found more often in older age groups. As this research study gathered information on a small population in Sioux Falls, further studies on a larger population or multiple populations in an area or groups of people in an area would be beneficial in order to better understand the barriers to healthcare. And furthermore, we would be able to establish or overcome those barriers in order to promote health promotion and health prevention. Thank you for listening to my study.